If you need to remove your Roblox account from other devices, you can easily do it from either the mobile app or the website. Start by going to your settings. On the mobile app, open the app and go to Settings. Then tap on the Security section. You'll see the Where You're Logged In section, where you can either log out of all other sessions at once by tapping Log Out of All Other Sessions, or you can manually log out of individual devices. For extra security, once you've logged out, it's a good idea to change your password and turn on two-step verification to keep your account safe. On a web browser, PC or Mac, go to roblox.com and sign in. Once logged in, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. From there, select the Security tab on the left-hand menu. Scroll down to find the Where You're Logged In section, and then either log out of individual devices or click the button to log out of all other sessions to sign out everywhere except your current device.